came from different stations, different streets and different names. Dust on our shoes from the daytime, night in our blood like a flame. Someone lifts a hand to the skyline, someone laughs into the sound. For a minute all the distance falls like paper to the ground. No one asks where you come from, no one cares what you hide. When the first kick hits the field, we are standing on side, under open speakers. We become one beat, hearts like rolling thunder, moving through the heat. Under open speakers, strangers turn to friends. When the bassline takes us over, we begin again. Sunset burns behind the tower, smoke and colors in the air. Every face becomes a lantern, every voice becomes a prayer. Not the quiet kind of healing, not the words you say alone, but the kind that shakes your shoulders till your body finds its home. Turn it low, let the crowd breathe. Bring it back, let the ground speak. Under open speakers, we become one.